Now, finally, I should also show you how to precisely adjust the view, because as you can see here, if you use the mouse wheel as a button, you can drag and you can get this. And if you use it with the shift, you can do this without rotating. So it's, very, very useful, very comfortable. But you don't always want to do it that way, of course. For example, if you want to get a side view to level your model with the ground plane, you need something that's absolutely precise. So you go to the View menu. You would want to select the orthographic view because this is the perspective view. This is the orthographic view, and usually you need the orthographic view to do precise location editing, or spotting, maybe would be the word. But if I go to one of the side views, say right, maybe, yeah, then I can go straight up, straight down, straight right, and straight left. And then, of course, if that's unsatisfactory, Control Z, Control Z. Puts it back where it was. So this is all very handy. Another handy thing about these exact views is that if, say, for example, if you go to the front, if this were a complicated shape, it's possible to add background images behind that. So you could add like a plane which has the correct texture on it. Or you could box. You can go into this little menu here, which is deceptively called the Properties menu. See that? View Properties. If you click that, see it's gone. It's actually called the Properties menu. And then this other menu over here is called the Tool Shelf. Click that out. So anyway, you would find the background image in the Properties menu here. By going down here, and then you would add an image, and it would be, somewhere in the background. You'd open a file. So let's say if I put in the Cheerios box again, right? Just for the sake of argument. See? That's the wrong size, and of course you would have to adjust that. But you get the idea. So again, fit, stretch, crop. Then of course you can scale it down this way if you had to. Of course you could use a smaller image too, but then that kills your detail. And detail is rather important if, for example, you have a blueprint of something. And you can put it in the figures manually. 1.0 meters. Because it's 1.0 meters, it's still too big for a cereal box. But you get the idea, anyway. So, undo, undo. So anyway, in my next series of tutorials, you'll learn how to make this box. And of course, I'll barely scratch the surface of what Blender can actually do in terms of capabilities. Because you can see all these functions. It's just very, very complicated. So I'll be using a fraction of the capabilities to build this box. But it will give you a background in how to approach such a project that is easier, I would argue, than, say, my Vega project or some of the other things that you can find on YouTube that I've done about Blender. So until the next video, thanks for watching.